It affect no problem.
Sana. Sana. Actually, Embakasi South constituency is one of the most affected constituencies in Nairobi. Kwanza ngiri bageri kwa pole baliachi family abasiria abantu babo namba ibere bali basiria properties chinyenge because abantu bayirurwa mate bayirurwa chinyumba. But bottom line, this is as a result of the incompetence in the leadership ya Nairobi County. Injedinda it means my words.
Tell nature.
Yeah. Nature nero. Umanyete ekwerende ya te muisonde tokurunga meteorological department. Eba to wone tinga embura nature be Nairobi eta ana kororekana. Of above 100 millimeters this time. 4 days. They gave it a week in advance. But they wait a week ngima. Nganeji ko babo. Na eleta ditanga ntu anyore floods. Ntu anyore floods last year, ntu anyore floods omwaka olionde. Bono bine bintu to gona goteba ni omugaba no mugima nyako genda cha goteba nga ya goto history umanyete umuchando oyo go chagete kare abantu gete nga chiserikali chiaerire. No, ndoko chore dioto erese history y'emichando ya flooding Nairobi. Ego ire meremo oyekore.
Batimbi yakore background.
Background yo korwa ekero kwa bero bise myaka 3 mugambi gake. Ngundi. Background yo korwa liri gwachori rukegima. Uso mwako mutangani amachache aire bintu by'abantu. Umade kirori cyasa none yane Mercedes yane yanywa mache. Ekaigota pe. Bueno, lakini rendo bujanja create employment haraka ase likanikaliane. Lakini rende a lot of destruction happened.
What needs to be done? Because in the water by there, a water harvesting authority, drought management. So in the water by ministry ngima, water, housing, living to beyond department just the current chiro. Umonda we expecting a function chiri. One rendo nya meteorological department they are warning. Amacha ajira to amiro to abusa. So ngai to fix a problem way.
Njebuno murai, I don't want to give excuses. Is again to go tebi. Injomu murori sakaja is the most incompetent governor Nairobi anagotwa. Tigana na baliba era kidero na baba sonko. Tigana pi no ena kananu. Asenge njomu ambi, let me tell you. Gezongo ngia na solve problems. Na aja ko realize. No njembu ende njenke ye gezongo ngoja na kwana. Nairobi gaiga a problem to bugate ya drainage. Talinga mache ngara mange mono. Nga kia macha akoba drained asoe chindoche agende. Una bono uone Embakasi South. Oroje rodogoro ku Ngong River. Amache gare ko minyoka kuru a constituency bono rugura kuru Ruben Grounds ko Trimboka akogenda roche. Lakini oroche rolia amache gare kuirana aichuire mona ayo atimbure yatule chinsa mochinda gocha hasta yagochi agachaka kuirana bono.
Okay.
Bono amache akuru reverse kuru roche river kucha sabantu. So again take tangani nyakundi ko ikatokore dredging yeji ndoche chicheito Nairobi Ngong River, Nairobi River na Mathare River. Chiru siku chi expand ku chi erinde chinyare kuira mache kirara mange. Namba ibere drainage bori gaiga ekuru chi estate. Asa mache kerembra ya ature akominyoka agende roche. That is another issue. We need to deal with the issue of drainage in Nairobi. Eyunegasiye county. Number 2, authority nere to korokanga Kenya Urban Roads Authority. Also, ne wenere de kolemeyu. So it's an issue of planning na gutumeka chiba yasabia.
What is planning needed to build the Nairobi Rivers Commission? A whole establishment entity era.
Ebinte bibiobo kurumi bikorozi kune serikali unyagundi dikagonte ebi. Abana banta baibye binte bye bakorozi korozi gusokali chitongoro. nyakundi ndero ko iguri tangani nga Nairobi Rivers Commission ekarosigwa bakamana ko omuntu okurukuba ititunga nero ko bechama igento keringe ngikwana ko igwaye gego kora onye tari
tobere governor by the way
obere governor lakini no ma dengi akora to sobo governor ngayare bono iga ngayaba muizonde ngweta na soka lakini rende no manyete ebine bintu bikorosigu as special purpose vehicles go soka litongoro nabenge genteke bago te muizonde nganga mbaite tia babunge bajiete bakae gutongoro bakaetinga National Infrastructure Fund yani gento bakorosia keruororo gesangere litongoro cheito ba privatize Kenya Pipeline ba bekire 106 billion ororo bamanya gote banga chibese echi njiri koligere guno mu auditor general njiri go eta se budget normal because a budget yababunge bakorosia igere a charge as a consolidated account lakini chitongore jibarose tibabege tabagote baje ko so million trillion sana uma dengi bapimete tigane jibago ba privatize 106 billion eba pimete 2.8 trillion in assets chia pension ekine chibesa bapimete bamanya go chibeka bachitumeke gosa bachitongoro alafu chibaje chikorozi kumanyanga ababunge nyakundi ababunge baruete liba kako chi state house yaro si budget yakora etariko ba audited bamanya go totebinga the only measure babegete anti corruption in that thing nga umuntu kanyo rirungo ibe chitongole echo nga aida kwe fine ya milioni 10 gose asibwe myaka 5 gose or abuna echinechi bese trillion irenga isana nyakundi twachandikire